Welcome to the International English Language Testing System conducted by Mullik English Academy. This is the mock IELTS test. Today I am a practice examiner, myself, Afianju. This test is divided into three parts. Before starting the main part, I will ask you some personal questions. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yes, I'm also well. May I know your name, please?
My name is Shanida Filuria, but you can call me as Afri.
Okay, Afrin, where do you come from?
I'm come from Kumila, but currently I live in Mirpur.
Okay, do you study or work?
I'm a student of class 8 at MABC.
Which subject do you like?
My favorite subject is English and Bangla.
How do you pass your free time?
Most of the time I like to watch TV and also I like to watch dramas.
Okay. Now let's move on the main. The first part is clothes. Where do you buy most of your clothes?
I buy most of my clothes from Aron, but it also depends where I will wear the dress. For invitation, I like to. For invitation, I buy from Aron, and if it is for wedding, then I buy any kind of online page.
How often do you buy new clothes for yourself?
It doesn't have any specific time. When I need a dress for me, then I buy. For example, in Eid I buy a dress. Also, if I have an invitation, then I buy.
How do you decide which clothes to buy?
For shopping, I'm going with my parents. In the showroom, I try so many dresses, and then I see which is good looking on me, and also my parents choose for me.
Have the kinds of clothes you like changed in recent years?
I didn't change my dress types in recent years. Since my childhood, I like to wear different kinds of clothes like three piece and for casual outing, pants and tops.
Now let's move on into the part two. This part is describe an interesting discussion you had about how to spend your money. Okay. For the part, I will give you a paper and a cue card. You have 1 minute to think about this topic, and you have to talk 1 to 2 minutes about this topic. If you wish, you can note. Here is your pen and paper, and here is the topic. Your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. You can start.
It was a very interesting topic for me. I discussed with my mom about this topic, and it's also very important for me because actually I can't spend my money properly. So my mom told me how can I spend it, and she gave me so many ways how can I manage my money. And she also told me that I don't waste money. You can also save it.
May I have a pen, please? Pen, please. Yeah. Thank you. Now let's move on to the part three. Part three is a discussion topics. First thing is money and young people. Why do some parents give their children money to spend each week?
I think it's very important things that most of the parents do with their children, because as a student or as a children, we need money for each week. We need to buy so many necessary things like pen, pencil, or notebooks, and also we need to buy our tiffin. So our parents give us for tiffin money.
Do you agree that schools should teach children how to manage money?
Yeah, I agree with that. School should teach their student how to manage money, because we see some student can't manage their money properly. Sometimes they face so many trouble. So as we go to school for study, it's also a part of study. And if we learn how to manage money since our childhood, then when we will grow up, we don't need to face any problem.
Yes. Do you think it is a good idea for students to earn money while studying?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea, because yeah, it's a good idea for students when they are study, because
Because they can take the responsibility.
yeah, I'm not told you that you have to earn money while you are a school student, but you can earn money when you will study in a university, because I think it's a perfect time for earn money for yourself, and we don't need to burden our parents. We can take our own responsibility. Yeah.
Um, Next thing is money and society. Do you think it is true that in today's society money can't buy happiness?
I don't agree with that, because every situation, every time we need money. If we want to live, then we of course need money. For example, look at the poor people. Why they are poor? Because they don't have enough money. If they have enough money, then they can also live a peaceful life. We see sometimes they can't eat in a day properly, they can't buy their favorite things.
What disadvantages are there in a society where the gap between rich and poor is very large?
I think there are so many disadvantages, like when nobody helps the poor, they start to commit crime like theft and robbery begin. Also in a society, the poor left behind, and the prices of things are increased day by day, and I think it's very disappointing things for the poor people.
Do you think richer countries have a responsibility to help poorer countries?
I don't think so. Richer country have a responsibility to help poor country, but yeah, they can help them very other side, but it's not their responsibility. If richer country get into any problem, then poorer country can stand by them, and it helps to what can I say? It helps.
Helps cities and like to keep the relation.
Then the relationship between two countries will be better.
Okay. This is the end of this topic and also end of your test. So thank you so much for giving us your most important time and